It's been sitting in the auction for a few months. I've been eyeing it. I know there's been snow on it, so I don't know how bad the car is. So I'm just gonna wait till the car shows up and record it. As soon as it shows up, I'll show you guys what it looks like. So the car just got here. We just opened the front and it's just full of crap from the accident. Yeah, so see how dirty it is inside? It's because they loaded all of this stuff here. It was inside. We just took it all out. So the plan right now, so the battery is dead. The plan right now is to get, basically check and see if there's oil pressure by seeing if there's oil in it. And then I'm gonna hook up some booster cables to it with another car and then hopefully try to start it.
Also, I don't know what the fuck this is. GPS?
That could just be a tracker.
It looks like a tracker. But yeah, it's not on. Also, this shit's full of water.
This whole thing is full of water?
Not all of it, there's some water in it.
Oh yeah, it is disconnected. Why would they disconnect it? That's interesting. I don't know what this is. Alright, so car now has power. Gotta hold the key over here. Okay, so I was able to push the car in here by putting it in neutral and towing it with my other car. So I put a little tow hook over here. This is an aftermarket bumper. It's just very shitty quality. I'm gonna change this bumper because this bumper has damaged places and it's just like the fitment is completely terrible. So I couldn't even access the tow hook cover. I had to literally like break this open, right? It's all cheap fiberglass. So this is an aftermarket bumper, but I'm gonna change this guy. But I was able to put a tow hook here and tow it over with my car. Now the car is in here. I'm gonna try to start it because it wasn't starting outside, but now I'm gonna put a battery charger to it and I'm gonna see if I can get this thing running. I just can't get the car to start. I've tried everything. I've charged the battery full. I've tried to basically leave a car connected to it with jumper cables to see if it gets full power and then try to start it. All I'm hearing is a click. So every single time I push this button over here, I'm pressing this button and it's just not starting. Like everything lights up. I could hear that it's trying to start, but all I'm hearing is a click. Like I could hear the starter engage, but it just seems like the starter is trying to start the car, but it clicks and it can't move. So I'm just really hoping that I didn't buy a car with a seized engine. Maybe like the auction they ran it with no oil or something, but it's just, this is something what a seized engine would do. The starter would just click and, you know, and the engine wouldn't turn over. Since we're in here, let's just take a look at what's inside the car. What is this? This is good. The key cover for the door handle. I don't have to buy that. That's good. Let's see what's in here. Just some cables for iPod maybe. This is kind of dated. This cover I took out to put the car in neutral. There's a little tool that goes on that and it pulls upwards. That's how you put the car in neutral. This I found laying around in the car. I just kind of plugged it back in. If for some reason it was out, so I'll reattach that properly after. So see what's in the glove box. Any mice? Doesn't look like anything's in there. There's not my stuff in the car, but let's get out of it now.
2 hours later.
Okay, so I did get the car started, but I had to shut it off right away because it was leaking transmission fluid and coolant, and I just didn't want to run the engine and transmission for that long. I didn't want to cause any damage to it. So I just do want to give a huge shout out to Matt Armstrong. I did watch one of his videos and he showed how to do it. So how did I do it? Let me show you guys. So with the front open, take the front tub out, slide the battery over, and access this fuse box. It's kind of difficult to access this. It's a lot of covers and stuff that you got to take off to get to that. But once you get to this, what I noticed was the big power cable that goes from here to there is attached here. But I noticed this big power cable and I tested it and it goes right to the starter. This wasn't getting any power when I was trying to start it. So what I did is I put power directly to this side here and bingo, that's how the car started. So this is a pyro fuse. Basically, you just jump it. I'm going to be replacing this guy, but I was really happy I was able to get the car started. So now the fun part. Since the car starts, I'm going to take out the engine and basically strip the complete rear end, what frame pieces I got to buy and stuff like that, right? So you guys are watching this video in real time as I'm building this car, so stay tuned. So any experiences, problems I'm going to face that you guys will know about it, I'll try to post as much as I can while I'm working. It's a difficult time because the shop is busy as well. It's summertime, but I'm going to try my hardest to post as much. And if you guys could like and subscribe, that'll help me out a lot.